That night, we met up with a contact who agreed to show us the airfield. We had to go under cover of darkness so as not to be seen by traffickers or their informants. The last journalist who tried to film the airfield was arrested and beaten.
Do you think the police will be patrolling the airfield? He says it'll probably be quiet tonight because he's not expecting any aircraft to land. But when planes are landing, this place is surrounded with police. There's somebody coming. There are 2 torches here.
We saw torchlights ahead of us. Our contact got nervous.
He's telling us to move. We want to get away from these people. We're walking along a dirt road toward a wide open space. The forest has been cut open. Is this it? This is the airfield.
We'd reached the runway. Our contact said it was several kilometers long.
He said the planes land down there at the start of the airfield. They taxi up to here, where they find cars waiting for them. The coke is unloaded, and it's driven in that direction over toward the port, where it's unloaded onto boats and shipped off to Cassamo. Who is working with the traffickers here on the island?
He told us everyone was involved.
He says he's seen official cars drive up and collect boxes of cocaine. And he says the police are here protecting everyone.
If our contact was right, some authorities were protecting the traffickers.